Resetting safety switches only after you have fully diagnosed and repaired the underlying fault prevents repeat trips and unsafe operation. Start by confirming power is off at the service switch and circuit breaker, and verify the problem that caused the safety trip has been corrected. Inspect the area for obvious defects, such as loose wiring, burnt terminals, blocked vents, condensate leaks, or flame irregularities, and repair those items before attempting a reset. Use a non-contact tester or multimeter to confirm correct voltage and proper continuity where applicable, so you are not resetting into an electrical fault. For pressure, float, or condensate switches, clear blockages, dry the sensor areas, and ensure tubing and drains flow freely so the switch will see normal conditions. When resetting limit or high temperature switches, allow components to cool to ambient and confirm airflow is restored by checking fan operation and filter condition. Replace filters if dirty. After the manual reset, restore power and run the appliance through at least one full operating cycle while monitoring temperatures, pressures, and any diagnostic lights so you can verify stable operation without nuisance trips. Common mistakes include resetting a switch immediately without fixing the root cause, which can mask dangerous faults. Always repair and test first and only then perform the reset. People sometimes forget to restore or tighten electrical connections, which leads to intermittent failures, resecure terminals, and retest voltage and continuity after reset. Another frequent issue is failing to verify system conditions like airflow or condensate drainage, which causes immediate retrips. Clear drains, replace filters, and observe the unit while it runs to confirm the problem is resolved. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to help contractors find new work that matches their skills. We also host an active discussion community on the site where members share tips, ask questions, and discuss post-repair steps and best practices so everyone learns from real experiences.